Welcome to Finance in Review. On the surface, it was a quiet, slightly lower day. The S&P 500 slipped less than 0.25%, and market volatility actually eased. But beneath that calm, earnings season delivered two of the most violent single-stock moves of the year, in opposite directions, and we have both. Nothing here is investment advice, just a clear look back at the trading day. Here are the index movements for the day. But let's take a look at the big movers on the day. First up, Iovance Biotherapeutics, ticker IOVA. Today, the stock rose 43.1%, its third largest single-day move in 5 years. Before the bell, the cancer cell therapy maker reported record second-quarter revenue of about $99 million, up 66% from a year earlier. Sales of its approved melanoma therapy reached about $91 million, and gross margin climbed to 56%. The company also said the FDA granted Fast Track status for the therapy in a form of soft tissue sarcoma. Let's take a look back a few years to examine other price fluctuations in this stock. May 2022. Down 53.6%. The company reported updated results from its melanoma trial. The response rate in its lead patient group came in at 29%, down from 35% in an earlier group. The stock fell by more than half. August 2024. Up 24.9%. An earnings morning. In the first full quarter of its cell therapy launch, the company reported $31 million in revenue and set full-year guidance well above that pace. February 2025, down 19.4%. The company reported record fourth-quarter revenue of $74 million, hitting the top of its guidance, and reaffirmed its outlook for the year ahead. Even so, the stock sold off. May 2025, down 44.8%. First quarter revenue slipped to $49 million during a planned factory maintenance shutdown. The company cut its full-year revenue forecast to a range of $250 to $300 million, down from $450 to $475 million before. And that brings us back to today. But the day cut both ways. Next up, AppLovin, ticker APP. AppLovin, a mobile advertising and marketing technology company. Today, the stock fell 19.7%, its lowest close in more than a year. The company reported second-quarter revenue of $1.9 billion, up 53% from a year earlier. Net income rose 55% to $1.3 billion. Management even guided next quarter higher to more than $2 billion in revenue. Those were strong results. Even so, investors sold the stock hard. Let's take a look back at this one too. May 2022, up 34.7%. On an earnings morning, the company posted a record adjusted profit and told investors it would pivot away from its lower-margin apps business to focus on its software and advertising platform. August 2023, up 26.5%. Second quarter revenue reached $750 million, and profit beat the company's own guidance. Management credited a new artificial intelligence advertising engine and raised its outlook. February 2024, up 24.8%. Fourth quarter revenue rose 36% to $953 million. The company swung to a net profit of $172 million from a loss a year earlier. November 2024, up 46.3%. Third quarter revenue jumped 39%, and net income more than tripled to $434 million. The advertising engine kept scaling, and the company guided the next quarter higher. And we are back to today once more. Beyond our two featured stories, here are the rest of the day's biggest movers. That's the market close for today. Thanks for watching Finance in Review. And remember, this is information, not investment advice.